Hey, fishy team, morning. This is the day after our winter storm here in North Florida, and this is how the property looks like today in the morning, the day after the storm. This is the south side of the property. The sun is. This is the east right now. The sun is coming out. A lot of ice mixed with the snow overnight. Since yesterday around 5 p.m. it started, and this is what we have. Down there is the fish greenhouse. This is what we have today here on our property. This is facing west. This is our west side. It's a lot of ice with snow mix. Yeah, the peon loft over here in the middle, right there. The peon loft plus the greenhouse, fish greenhouse over here. Once again, guys, thank you for watching our videos. See you in the next snow.